Howdy folks, here's your local mechanic here. So we're working on this here car, and well, that right there is what we're gonna do. We're gonna put this thing in there, because when you turn the wheel it goes clunk, 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 and when you drive down the road and hit a bump it goes clunk, 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 clunk. It may sound like the whole front end is falling out of it. You don't necessarily need this to make it quiet, but it sure does help. It does help. So let's see what we're doing here a little bit. I know. Gotta flip this thing around. Bear with me. Stand by. Okay folks, here we are. Get back with me, see. We're gonna take this off right here. The last one, I've already got the other two out. We'll see just how bad this is in there. I bet it's pretty bad. Well, that explains. That explains a whole lot, folks. I think there's something missing. You don't necessarily need it to look like a crazy star like this to make it not clunk, but it helps. It sure does help. Look at that there. Well, you gotta get out one of these right here, and that's, see, you don't necessarily have to have this, but well, that's right, just read it. Yeah, it does help. It sure does help. Get that in there. Now we gotta get out all these here pieces. So bear with me, I'm gonna go get an air gun. We're gonna blow that out of there. Since I got the glasses on, so we're gonna blow that out. Back with me? Okay, so here what we're gonna do, we got this here, we're gonna blow this out. You see that? All of that mess in there, we're gonna clean that up, because you gotta, if you don't clean it up, it don't help. You gotta clean it up so it helps. Just turn it around there a little bit, folks. So you take this handy dandy tool that you got here, you know, that helps about anything. Well, and you clean this stuff up, like right there. That right there, and scrape it off. Get as much of it off as you can. Well, you gotta get it off there, folks. You gotta get as much off as you can, because it just won't go back together. But let me show you what it's gonna look like when we're done. Look at that. Look at that. Perfect fit. It's beautiful. It's beautiful, folks. But that is how you change one of those couplers. Just not fun, but it's always going to be quiet. Come back next time, folks.